Hi everybody, my name's Peter Henneberry. This is my introduction project for AGR 203. Uh, so, first off, my name, Peter Henneberry. I'm a senior ag business major. I've been at Illinois State all 4 years. My interests include studying perennials and trees, agriculture, econ, and marketing, and my hometown is Plainfield, Illinois, about 30 miles from Chicago. Um, a little bit about my family life. We're all from Plainfield. My mom and my brother still live there. My sister teaches conversational English in South Korea, and we had been working on the family business until about this April. So my work experience is it's pretty good. I mean, I worked mostly with ornamental perennials. This summer I was with Midwest Ground Covers in St. Charles, and I did the U-Pick internship in the wholesale yard, and then the year before that, in 2019, I was at my local tree farm called The Fields, and I was picking up agriculture there, and today I'm both forklift certified and skid steer certified. So I also have seen both sides of the spectrum, garden center sales with retail, and then wholesale this year, and it's pretty good, but I'm mostly interested in plant ID and animal identification as well. I'm in pest identification right now with Dr. Smiklis, and looking forward to this year. And then my career plans are I basically hope to own my own farm. I'm looking to apply to be like an arborist, trim trees after school. I also thought about getting my CDL, but that depends on the virus and a lot of factors going on right now. So we'll kind of see where it kind of shapes out to be in May. This picture right here was from 2019. This is when I worked with the fields. And then some fun things about me is I basically just like to be outside and go fishing and spend a lot of time outside. This is me with my friend Zach with SPVA. I play the guitar and bass as well. I like to hike, and big fan of music and animals. So I'm looking forward to a good year, and thanks for listening.